Now the first thing, we need to install VMware Workstation. I told you you can download from here and you can register with this key. So I already download. Let's go to that machine. So I already download VMware Workstation version 16, the latest one. Click on that one and install on your machine. So let me show you. Make yes. So VMware Workstation Professional version 16. Okay, and I will show you which issue you can face. If I remember, so I will show you, and some system you can face that issue and how to fix them. So this is the first thing you need to install for your lab setup. Okay, VMware Workstation. So let's see, let them install, and what we can do, click next and accept this agreement, next, and click next. And you don't need this, by the way, just click next, next, and install. Okay, so until it's installed, okay, let me show you the steps. So I download from here, then I click next, then next, accept this one, and click next, then next, and install. Now it's going to install, and after that it will ask you to put the key. So I already share the key. You need to put the key and it will be registered and will open like this. Okay, and what they will do next, what you need to do when you install this VMware Workstation, so they will keep the IP statically. You need to make them automatically. Why? I will tell you why you need to do this one, so that you can troubleshoot easily. That's why you need to make them automatically. They will create two virtual adapter, VMnet 1 and VMnet 8. These two will be created automatically. Let's go to show you. So it's install and click license. So the key is there. Let me copy this key. SNPDF, by the way. Okay, so you need to copy from there and put the key here and enter. Okay, and it register now for lifetime and you can use them. It will open. Until it's open, let's go to the adapter and you will find two extra adapter. This one is my Bluetooth, this one is my WAN, and this was the wireless. They created two adapter, VMnet 1 and VMnet 8. Go to VMnet 8, so whatever they can give them the range, 127 they give them, even though you can change them if you want. Go to here and uncheck IPv6, the first thing. And okay, this is obtained automatically. Let's go to this one. So this one is automatically, and do the same thing, VMnet 8 and uncheck IPv6 and go to IPv4. If it is not automatic, so make them automatic. It's also automatic. What is the range? This one, so this is 236. You know, the first issue you can face, sometime these interfaces, when you make them obtain automatically, they will get a PIPA IP. So if it is a PIPA, every time when you start the system, you need to disable and you need to enable. This is the first issue. Some system, I see this issue many students face. So disable and enable every time when you start the system. So it will get the proper IP. In my case, it's not showing the same error, but I saw this error in many systems. So you need to make sure that there is no IP. A PIPA means 169 IP. Okay. If it is 169, make them disable and enable once. So that's it. For here is done. And let's to open VMware Workstation and see is properly configured or not. So yeah, it's done. Okay, and we have two virtual adapter. By the way, there will be bridge as well. So these are our range. Net is 236 and this one is 127. DHCP is enabled by default on both. And if you change the setting, there is a third interface which is bridge, by the way, this one, and it will be automatically. If you are connected to LAN, so it will be automatically that bridge. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, it will be that. And if you want to specify to wireless or wire, you can change them from here. That's it. So VMware Workstation, two error. The first thing, make them automatic, disable IPv6, and if there is a PIPA, disable the interface and enable, so you will not face the issue. Let's go back, and if we miss something, that's it. Yeah, I already showed them, and it was the installation of VMware Workstation virtually. Okay, that's it. It was so easy to configure and install.